Hello boys and girls, how are you? I'm excellent. Today we are going to continue practicing grammar. Here we go. Open your book to page 85, language. I hope you already watched the video, okay? Tenses. Interrogative past progressive. The interrogative past progressive tense is formed by writing was or were before the subject and adding ing to the end of the main verb. Example: you were sleeping. Were you sleeping? Don't forget the question mark at the end of the question. She was working on her essay. She was she working on her essay? Okay, it's time to go and practice what you learned. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the word in parentheses. Make sure the questions are in past progressive tense. The first one has been done for you. Number one, this is an example. Was Alicia working on her desk? Remember, this is the verb to work. Okay, in present and past progressive, you have to add ing to the verb and eliminate the word to. Okay, was Alicia working on her desk? Okay, and you have here to fix, to take, to listen, to open, to do, to come, and to help. Okay, please don't work on this part. Okay, and if you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. And remember, nobody's perfect. That's why pencils have erasers. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.